roof is on, most of it, and the windows and man doors are in, so we're chipping away slowly here. My dad's filling some gravel in at the base, slowly getting the site prepped. A little bit of an angle to get in on that door, which is good for drainage, so we're slowly filling up to grade there. And I'm going spraying. Got a bogey inbound. Little muley buck hanging out in the canola. He's standing up, so this canola's actually not that bad. Where are you going? He's not really scared of me. Just hanging out, tramping the canola. Looks like the MacDon suction cup header system finally fell off. Have to put that thing back on the window. My hopper window is so dirty. That is loose. I can't even see out of it. This thing needs a wipe down. It needs to be squeegee, but I don't got it with me, so I think a brush or a broom will do the trick. Well, it's better. A little bit. I'm doing custom work. Oh, look how dirty that window is. Well, I'm officially done desiccating. Finished that this morning, and as you can tell, we are going to try the wheat. We have been sitting or standing, whatever you want to call it, for 6 days. Yeah, kind of rained for 2 or 3 days, and then taking that long to dry out. Kind of misted, and it basically just misted for 2.5 days. Got under about half an inch of rain, but it stayed wet for a long time. So we're gonna try this wheat here this morning. The windows needed a wipe down. They needed a squeegee. It's not a very good job, is it? Maybe a little tough here this morning. We'll see what it's at. We're in a bin where the fan dries it down a little bit, but we don't have an actual dryer here on our farm. The sun in the sky is our dryer. Just have to wait. Usually by the afternoons, the wheat gets pretty dry. Later in the year, the cutoff gets higher and higher. August 26th today. My average moisture so far is 16.5, which is 2 full points higher than dry. So, I mean, by the afternoon it'll dry down. Yeah, 16.5 moisture. Well, it'll dry down eventually, and it'll mix in the bin. Right? These stupid kochia patches, man. Trying to combine around them. This field was desiccated, 1 liter of Roundup, and didn't even touch it. Only thing that seems to do anything is when desiccating the canola, Roundup and heat. It does not like heat. That actually dries it down and kills it. So if you have a good kochia mixture that you like, let me know. Comment down below. I'll try it out because I hate this stuff. Come on, son. It's trying to dry down. Oh no, it's coming back up. Something happened to the grain cart hydraulics. I'm thinking a hose just popped out on the move. So we'll check this out. Hoses are still in. One thing about these Versatiles is when that happens, you shut it off and you turn it back on again. And that'll reset that screen. The only way to do that is the full battery disconnect, and then the hydraulics will work again. That is the plan. Okay, start it. Because the spout was only moving the one way all the way back, and the gate wasn't opening. Oh yeah! Let's go! I'm gonna move this Western Star truck while I'm here. She loves me. I'll send that service invoice in the mail. I'm going trucking. First load home. Look at my collection of remotes. 4. Come on, around 16. Oh boy. That is more than I thought. So the combine moisture is out by an entire percentage point. Just throw it in the bin. The combine monitors are a little off. The moisture reads low and the yield reads high, which doesn't make you worry as much when you're in the cab. It's kind of like spraying. Once you get in the cab, it doesn't feel as windy out there. Second load home. Let's see if this dried down at all. It's probably 16.517. Yep. Next load home. They're done with that field. They're just moving. There they go. This whole load should still fit in this bin. Oh yeah. 15.7. It is getting there slowly. I found them. I can't see a thing. I have a feeling that's close. Let's check. Just gotta pull ahead a little bit more. This tractor, John Deere 8300, it's our auger tractor. I left the door open like a big dummy, but this AC in here.
After watching this, you know that water run that comes?
I'm trying to talk. This AC in here is strong. The strongest thing we got. It is nice and cool. It is hot as toast in here. Oh, that's nice. Truck says plus 36, but it's been parked in the sun here for an hour. Just triple checking this is the right bin. Ooh, we're getting there. That gives support for the tarp, and it makes its way out of the tarp. It needs to be hammered in every once in a while. Kind of makes its way out of the tarp. It's not supposed to be like this. It's finally dry. 14-1. The sun, the best grain dryer around.